Scientists estimate that there are over 4 million species of smartphones in the wild. Unfortunately, Peak Design cannot make a case for all these phones. And if we don't make a case for your phone, don't fret. Seriously, stop fretting, because we make this, the universal adapter. It sticks on the back of almost any third-party phone case and makes your phone compatible with our entire mobile ecosystem. I'm going to show you how it works. First off, here's what makes our mounting system so magical. It's called SLIMLINK, and it's in our universal adapter and our cases. SLIMLINK has a unique design. It's a zirconia ceramic ring surrounded by powerful magnets, and it can attach magnetically or mechanically to our mounts and accessories. There's no other phone mounting system that's as strong, fast, easy to use, and most importantly, slim. It's only 2.4 millimeters thick. That's quite slim. Now, let's talk about compatibility. The universal adapter does not work on all phone cases. The ultra-strong VHB adhesive needs a smooth, non-porous, non-textured material to bond to. That means hard plastics and metals work great. It also means soft silicones, rubbers, and leathers do not work. The universal adapter also does not work on the back of phones without a case, so don't do that. The VHB is super strong and needs to be installed correctly the first time. The first step is to use the included alcohol wipe and clean off the back of your phone case. Wait 5 minutes or so for it to dry off. Next, get out our handy alignment guide, also included. Remove the adhesive from the guide, match the numbers on each side of the guide. When they are matched, your placement is centered. Then remove the back from the adhesive. Carefully center the universal adapter over the guide, then press down for 30 seconds. Important note, wait 24 hours before using your phone with our accessories. The adapter needs to set. If waiting 24 hours seems daunting, we recommend streaming a baking show, playing with Legos,
perfect,
or getting into cartography to pass the time. After 24 hours, you're ready to enjoy our entire mobile ecosystem. If you need to remove the universal adapter from a case, we recommend softening the adhesive with a hairdryer and peeling it off. Rubbing alcohol can soften up any adhesive that remains. Visit our website for more info, support, and to find a Peak Design retailer near you. Watch out!